let's quickly take a look at the way that you set up the BeReal privacy settings. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on how Genic. If you're trying to manage your privacy settings of BeReal, it's going to be quite simple. You just need to open up your app and then head over to the profile section, which is on the bottom right. Once you're inside of your profile section, tap on settings on the top right. Inside of settings, you'll see the option called privacy. Inside of it, there are a few things that you can manage. Firstly, it is the blocked section. If you want to block some users, you can clearly do it inside of this section, and you can also hide users if you want. Now, if you don't want to get found by other people using your phone number, you can make sure to toggle this option off, as well as toggle off the contacts option. This way, other people won't be able to find you using your phone number. If you don't want to connect with your friends as well, you can head over to friends of friends option and then turn this option off. It says right here, when enabled, your friends will be able to see each other thanks to you. So when you toggle this option off, friends of friends won't be able to view any of those posts. But if you do want that, make sure you leave it toggled on. Now, in terms of post settings, if you have made a post, you also have the option of making it private or public. If you tap on the three dotted line, tap on select your audience. You can either select from my friends only, my friends plus their friends, so the friends of friends option, or you can also set it to public, meaning anyone inside of BeReal can look up your profile and view your posts. So that is the way that you set up the BeReal privacy settings. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more future videos, make sure you hit that notification bell.